we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Even if no SIM card is in the device, you can reset the iOS software normally. Apps and functions that require mobile service won't work until the SIM card is in the phone, but the iOS software will still work normally. Add a SIM card before or after resetting the iPhone to connect to your provider's network.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.